How's it going, everybody? Today's project is this Ariens 24-inch snowblower, and the problem it's having right now is that it's supposed to have 2 reverse gears and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 forward gears, and as of right now it only has 1 reverse and 7 forward gears. So we're gonna have to make an adjustment. Let me just show you what it's doing, and we'll see if we can fix this. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Right now I got it in reverse. So when I put it to this next one, it should be also reverse. And as you can see, it's starting to go forward. So we're going to take it back in the garage, and we're going to make an adjustment here and show you how to fix this. Alright guys, so since we only got 1 reverse gear and 7 forward gears, what we're going to do is put it in as far, like the fastest reverse gear that we have. Okay, we're going to come down here to the end of this shaft. So this handle up here is connected to this shaft. Okay, and then that shaft meets up with this arm, which goes into the transmission inside here. So to adjust this, all you need to do is take this cotter pin out right here on this Ariens model. Try not to lose the cotter pin, which is, I'm doing this all one-handed. So, and what we want, so this is right now set up, this is adjustable, this little arm. So right now it's set up for full travel up top here. So in theory, this arm should be at its full travel as well. So if we take a look at this arm and we move it up, you can see how much more it actually moves up. It was down here and it moves up here. So that would be full travel in the reverse mode. And if you try and line that back up, you can see it does not line up anymore. So what we need to do is adjust this nut type thing here up the shaft some until it fits in to this arm. Just a couple more turns probably. Just make sure that's all the way in the up position. There we go. Now from here, I'm gonna have to do this one-handed, or try to. You put your cotter pin back in, and that should be the extent of it. So I'm gonna start it back up and show you guys that we should have 2 reverse gears, 6 forward gears. Easy as that. Reverse gear, pretty high. Another reverse. And now she's going forward. I'll just go all the way. So there you have it, guys. Pretty easy to adjust that on these Ariens machines. So if you have one of these Ariens, and they pretty much should all be fairly similar, if not the same way to adjust it. Hopefully this will help you out, and you will save yourself a bit of a repair bill from the shop. So hopefully you liked the video, guys. Hopefully it was informative. If you did, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and the like button really helps me out on the channel. And until next time, guys, take care.